Oh, she was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, no, mama, what do you mean? I am the one who dance on the floor and around. We'll show you off. We'll talk about you. Well, okay. Uptown funk, uptown funk, uptown funk. Pow! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. I'm going to be posting new videos every Friday. Today I'm going to be making pancakes. But wait a second. But how do I know how to make pancakes? I'm only 6. By the way, it's also getting late, so... First I need to ask my sister though. Probably she knows. Okay? Now let's go. Sydney! I need you to help me make pancakes!
What do you want? Do the TikTok!
Sydney! Sydney!
Flour, egg, milk, butter, baking powder, sugar.
Cups of flour, tablespoon sugar, teaspoon, I forgot this one, and cinnamon, okay. Tablespoon baking powder, teaspoon salt, eggs, cup of milk, tablespoons melted butter, okay. Teaspoon vanilla, cup chocolate chips. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. Okay, now I'm going to take this bag of chocolate chips and at least it's open already, and I'm going to put it all the way up here and a whole bunch of... Okay, let's see if this is good. Okay, now I'm going to put it in here, right? And then I'm going to take this thing, whatever it's called, and mix it. It's very hard to mix it. It just smells so good. This is like my best thing I ever made. Oh my god, I forgot to turn it off. Oh my god, I did not turn it off? Oh my god, I need to turn it off before anyone sees me. But I don't know how to turn it on or off. And I don't want to burn my hands from anyway. I think it's with this one, with that one. I think it's this one. Oh, I think it's probably this one. Let me try. Is it off? Yeah, it's off. Okay. Phew. By the way, it could also burn now. Besides, they look like waffles, kind of. Okay, now it's time to try this. Let's see how it tastes. I hope it tastes good. Oh my god, this is actually good. This is like the best pancake I ever had. And I did it correctly. That's awesome. Okay, this is just so good. I just have to have another bite. Come on. Come on, I want a bigger one. Hold on, guys. This pancake is rough. I need to call my sister and my dad to try this because they're not even gonna know this pancake is rough. This is so good. It kind of burned a little bit, that's okay. That part's the best part, but I like this one. This is amazing. Okay, come here. Hammer, come here. Okay, that's enough, okay. Nothing more. Okay, good. You gotta see this. I mean, you see how it's like correctly, like, you should try this. I mean, isn't this great? You can't say no to this. It's like the best pancake you ever had, or me. It is the best. I call my mom and dad and my sister to try this out. Because this is like amazing, and I'm gonna make sure they get this part. Okay, be right back. If you want to come, you can come. Simmy, Daddy, can you come?
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Posting videos every Friday. I can't wait to show you my room, my toys, and all my other cool stuff.